A Wagwan people, Jamo TV HD, more earphones to review for your head top. These are from BOLTUNE, more true wireless earphone things. Quick charging case, IPX7 waterproof, Bluetooth 5.0, 3D stereo apparently, 40 hours playtime. Now, I'm assuming that's with the earphones being charged in the case continuously. It can't be, if that's per earphone without charging them in between, then that's dope. But yeah, $35.99. There's a little £5 voucher that you can apply on Amazon as well. These are the things right here, fam. So yeah, they're from BOLTUNE. I've not really heard of the company before. These ones look more iPod Air. What are they called? iPod Air? iAir? AirPods. These look more AirPod-esque kind of thing with the way they're designed. So yeah, let's jump into them. They got a little code there. I'm not sure what that does, but yeah, check that out if you want to. All right, let's go. Let's go get the unboxing experience. Raw, bare documentage in here, fam. What's this? Gift card. Okay. Boom. 15. Serious? Are they serious? You have a free gift. Share your experience by leaving an honest review. Email us with your Amazon order ID and customer experience link. Oh, free gift. I guess. Okay. Cool. Leave that to the side. Let's see what else we got here. Got this thing. Not sure what this is. What is that? Support warranty and stuff like that. Cool. Pause the video if you want to read that. Quick start guide. Blah. Okay. Pause the video if you want to read that. And we've got a proper user guide, which is in English. So yeah, that's a start. We're there. But anyway, let's get on to the main thing. You guys are trying to see this. Oh, there's got some more stuff in here. Okay, we got USB-C cable. Boom. And we got some ear tips. All right, and now we're on to the main thing. The actual earphones and the charging case itself. Okay, so got a little bit of branding there going on. BOLTUNE. Them guys there. Got some stuff on the back. Let's try and pop it open and see what's really good. Nice and simple design. I like this. Little flip open thing. Boom. You know, nice and small to fit in the pocket. You can see how small it is literally in the palm of my hand. You haven't really got any yes you do. You can just about see it. It says right earphone on the bottom. Well, just got an R there to let you know that that's the right earphone. And it should have an L here, yep, to let you know that this is the left earphone. And you can see the blue and white LED there to let you know that it's starting to pair. So that's about that. Where is the charging port? There we go. We got the USB-C charging port right there in the back. So anyway, guys, you know the deal. I'm going to go listen to these for a bit. I'll get back to you and let you know what they're saying. All right, guys. So yeah, I had a little listen to them. I'm pretty much happy with them. The USB-C charging works fine. On the front here, you can't really see it until I open it and close it, but you've got 4 little LEDs that give you an indication of 25%, 50%, and 75%, 100% battery life kind of thing. Now, as soon as you take them out of this, they just connect to your phone like that. It's just boom. They just get connected. Like, I don't know if I can show you that. I probably can actually. Let me show you that. I mean, obviously I won't gas it, but boom. Right. So, okay. They're still connected at the moment. I think they take about 5 seconds, 10 seconds to disconnect. So we're going to just let them disconnect. Okay. All right. They're disconnected now. So yeah, as soon as I open this, I'm going to try to do it with one hand. All right. So they're still unconnected. Oh, no. It's as soon as you open this thing, they get connected. Right. Okay. I'm with you. So yeah, literally as soon as you open the lid, they try and connect to your phone. And then when you close them again, close the lid and the earphones are still in there. It'll take about 10 seconds to like shut down kind of thing. But yeah, easy to connect to your phone, easy to pair in the first place. Literally no problems with connection at all. Sound quality, I'm saying 8, maybe 7.5. It's a little bit distorted, but I feel that's because it's a lot louder than any of the other earphones I've tested recently. Like, it's really loud to the point at where even me, myself, I don't really want to have it on maximum volume. I think about 80%, 90% volume is okay, but 100% is too much. So that might be cool. If, say, for example, you got a phone with a weak DAC and it doesn't pump out loud music in the first place, this will pump up your music a lot louder. But if you've got a phone with a good DAC like the ROG Phone 2, then yeah, even probably 70% volume, you'll be all right with that. But yeah, they're nice and small, fit in the palm of your hand. Fam, easy things. Definitely a recommendation. In your ear, the comfort is all right. But yet again, I've got really small ears, so I can't really give my 2 pence on that. I don't really like this style of earphone, but yeah, it should stay in your ear as long as you're not jogging. There's no danger of me jogging anytime soon. So yeah, that's cool. Also, they got the noise cancellation. It's passive noise cancellation though, so it's just because of the design of the ear tips that it blocks out a lot of external sound. So I wouldn't really want to use these whilst riding the bike because I'd want to be aware of what's going on around me. Or perhaps when you're walking, you want to be aware of what's going on when you're walking kind of thing, especially if you're in Southeast London. But yeah, guys, no, they're deep. They're deep. And I like the little design of them. I like the fact that they look a lot like AirPods, but obviously you can see it just connected in the background there. Obviously they're like a black version and they got this little logo bit on the bottom there. Oh, and these are buttons. So one tap for pause and one tap for play again. Then long press to, I don't even know what long press does, but you guys can find that out. Cool. Done though. Shut it like that. In the pocket. Bless out.